that surprising? We've been talking all along about how this team is much more pragmatic, much more practical, and it's not about total soccer.
What are you doing, Luisa?
Getting the results and finding ways to get results. And I think to a certain extent, they did what they felt they needed to do.
Oh, are you getting up on your knees?
And certainly, as I said before, they needed everything to go right and go over the left. They needed that one chance or opportunity that comes to Robin.
Oh, it's so tiring, isn't it? It's so tiring.
But you can't rely on that. Coach who only had
Yeah?
was a player for the Netherlands, and he was subbed out at halftime, but has proven to
Good job. Good job. Good job. You're going to push up in the back? You're going to push up in the back? Come on. Good girl. Good job. Can you push up? Can you push up?